Oh, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to assemble an Aosom bike trailer. It's something that we've been looking at for a while. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you some links to where you can purchase them. There's three in the series that we were looking at. There's this one, which is the open concept, then there's one with a black box, and then there's one with a gray box. But I'll give you the details on that in the comment section. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to assemble this this device, this trailer. Okay, so I've got all right, so I think you're supposed to open them. So if you see that they're pulled down to lock them in place. Oh boy. Hands and feet. Pin down the shoe. Lock it in place. There you go. One in place. This is made of nice, heavy tubing. The construction seems very decent, well constructed. The reason we bought this one was we figured that the open concept would be more useful for us. I guess we'll find out down the road. The weight is supposed to be able to take 88 pounds. Down. Lock it in place. Down. And lock it in place. There you go. All right, so that's flip it over. All right, so we have connectors for the wheels. So we just take the wheel, make sure it runs into the rim there, and go from the outside. I imagine this little toggle is going to go into the slot. Okay, make sure your little tab is locked into that slot there. All right. Yes, you want to make sure it's rolling good. Nice size. And make sure that comes with reflectors, so I won't bother installing reflectors on the tires, but there is a reflector on the back, and I would probably recommend, if I was going to be using this, probably get a flag, like a tall flag or something like that, so people can see it better. They have fabric inserts in them, so tighten them down pretty decent. So this deck is made out of like a heavy plastic, so it looks like it'll take a bit of weight. Back is on. Just locks it in the upright position. Aha! These two ends have different sizes. One has a hole in it. There you go. Now, okay, so the long So that's how the end looks when correctly assembled. There we go. And there you go. This part will go on your seat post, and I imagine it quick connects. Yes, it does. It quick connects here. So part on the seat post, and this got a shock on it, so it's not going to bang you around too much. I'll make sure that that's tight, but it's quick disconnect. Just pull it off. There's a little button here, and connect it back up again. So that's her. I will put the reflectors on there and attach them all up. Make sure I go over everything and connect it up. In my opinion, this looks like it's a nice solid build trailer. I think it's going to come in very useful for our shopping trips. We haven't got a chance to put it on the bike because we're still in the second fall spring in Calgary. So it's still snow out there and I'm not riding in the snow. So thank you very much. And look in the comments down below. I'll show you where you can buy this and the other two Aosom trailers. And thank you for watching my video. I'll show you some details up close here. So this is your quick release. Hard to do with one hand, but so the red button is the release, and the leaves you're putting it on, and the part that goes into the quick release is attached to the bike. Got some nice handy grips in case you're moving it by hand. You have a kickstand to hold it up. Nice strong clips. The bars look very nice. The finish is good. I've installed the reflectors. And there's some rear reflectors as well. Red on the back. I guess that needs a little bit more tightening. But the clips are nice and strong. And you can see this stuff is sort of a plastic, heavy-duty rubber. I think it'll hold up fairly well, just as long as you're not dropping real heavy stuff into it. And once again, that's Aosom bike trailer for our e-bikes. Thank you.